Next, we'll go into the output. For this case, if you're going to be toggling a cut using wall power, you're going to want to use a relay. If you have an external relay, you can already use the transistor output that's on board. The transistors are locked to set point 1 and 2, whereas the relays will be from 3 and on. Today we'll select set point 3. We'll assign it to counter A, and we want it timed out. The logic will be in normal. Configuration will stay with list A, and the value, in this case, we'll do 10 inches. We don't want the set point to track anything, so we'll leave it on no. And our timed out, let's say 2 seconds for this one. We want the counter to reset at the end of the output activation so that there is no leftover slag from the last cut. This can stay on no, and the rest of these options can stay at default. Apply and exit.